Happy Sunday, everyone. Glad you're here. Well, hopefully, wherever you are, things are looking a little bit up weather-wise. They sure are here. I have hope today. We finally had some sunshine. It's been about 55, 60. It's been completely amazing. So I'm hoping this means that maybe spring is on the way. There's been a lot going on here, but it's that time of year, as we all know, where things are about to take off and you start feeling a little overwhelmed with everything that you have to do, especially since we're all behind because of this weather. But let's go see what's going on. We didn't get to see anything the last update because we talked about sick chickens. So let's go see. Well, look what I found today. Just a few things are starting to be out. I think I can get this stuff out this week, actually. It's some Swiss chard that I did last year. I loved this. It's all different colors. Did really well from plant. When I do it from seed, it doesn't do so great. I have seeds, though. I'll put those in too, but I was excited to find this again. And I have some cabbage, and I only found one package of broccoli. And what else is in there? Celery. It's going to be too early for that, though. It was exciting to see it. I always grow celery. I want to make sure that I have it, so I'll just keep that protected a little longer. Now this, I was in Walmart. A sucker's born every minute, right? I was in Walmart and they had these adorable displays of these little tiny pine trees for $2. I couldn't pass it up. My just say no button broke, I guess. So here they are. They're cute. I got some mini pumpkins. These cool gray pumpkins, which I've seen before. And old school with the modern twist. Talked about this cushaw. I've never heard of it, but look what I found at Menards. I found seeds for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I got some new gloves. I go through gloves like crazy because I have a rotten dog who runs off with my gloves, so I can never have enough gloves. Ferdler here is starting to get some grass and some lemon balm, and I find mint occasionally sprouting up, and today he even got to eat his first dandelion of the season, so I think he's happy. Thursday's video was all sad news about sick chickens, so we didn't get to see how the other ones are doing. And they are growing and getting big. And then there's these guys. Look at them. Have they grown since you saw them last? They still look very cute. And I'll tell you, any day now they're going to pop right out of their feathers. And they won't be so cute anymore. They're going to move into their awkward, kind of yucky stage until their feathers catch up with their bodies. But they're doing really well. We haven't lost any. Okay, here's the crazies. How do they look? Did they grow too? Oh no, he's gonna try to escape. You think he can do it? He might. I don't know where he'll go if he gets out. The outside is out there. They're pretty much feathered in, so I am now weaning them off their light. He really wants out. I don't know if he'll make it or not. One good thing about turkeys is they're very easy to herd. They are not like chickens who scatter in every direction like the wind. But turkeys, if you just use your arms even and stick them straight out, turkeys will go just about anywhere you want. So it's not a big deal when they get out. You can get them to go right back where they need to go. Okay, right now the burning question is, will we have peaches? Will we not? I sure hope we will. We did not have any last year, and I'm waiting to see if these buds are going to pop. I don't know if they are or not. This is why chickens and gardens don't mix. And as soon as I get my plants in here, I either need to fence in the chickens or fence in the plants. Here goes the last of my horseradish root that was in the refrigerator. I'm making one last batch of horseradish. So that lasted all, like I harvested it in fall right when we got our first frost, and it was still fine in there. All right, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the weekend and a wonderful Sunday. I'll see you Thursday for Thrifty Tip Thursday.